Bafethu last time ngihlangane noThulani uTouch Mabaso ngambuza ngathi niyayithatha wathi Grootman lento sihamba nayo Touch intwana sekunjalo
asekunjalo
niyenze kanjani lento mfana because ngiyabheka la amathima nisokolisile SuperSport inishayile nabuya nayishaya iSundowns inishayile na draw yes then kube yiStellenbosch but lamanye amathima azange akwazi ukunishaya even SuperSport nishayile so out of lamathima ay14 nishaye 12 bonke le 12 nayishaya naphazamiswa nje iStellenbosch neSundowns benjani le season
be tough but sizitshelile ukuthi sifuna ukuwina ileague and siyazi ukuthi noma kungayenzakalani kumele sichubeke nje sazi ukuthi mesingawina ama game from first league saba phezulu sine chance yokuwina ileague so siz prepare from zisasuka
and then sometimes uthola amanye ama player wekho but still Machida naqhubeka I message beyithini sharp
igoal beliwa ukuthi siwine ileague
regardless ukuthi kunobani
nalabo bebangadlali bayazi ukuthi mebangena kumele bayenze umsebenzi competition be high team so we have ungenayo ufake effort that is why silana namhlanje
isho ukuthini le win kini
ayichaza ukuninga okukhulu kakhulu because siwinile and siwinele uchairman wethu dala singawini lutho so sithi nathi simjabulise
uchairman okakhuluma nani mhlambe enikhuthaza ukuthi emadoda buyani nalento man plus ayikaze yaye natural
akekho umuntu ongasikhuthaza because of wonke umuntu usifisela okuhle so yeah
maniza kule game against Magesi what was the message benazi ukuthi Van Rijn yayiqeda noma you like Stellenbosch bangasipazamisa
sisitshelile ukuthi soshiya yonke into egrounding if kumele kuphuka umuntu if kumele umuntu afake ikhanda noma umunye afake inyawo kumele sikenze lo kuze sokhona ukuwina that is why shiya yonke into egrounding sathola lama results esiwatholile
Ntwana ubuya kwikhaya le disk umudagaso wakini ubabakho ucoach isho ukuthini kuwe lento as a footballer ezomuntu obuye ekhaya lebhola
no I think iyanceda kakhulu because of esikhathini esiningi angikho into eningi yabo ekhaya khulunywa ngebhola and nemdagasi yawina so I think nabo banginika le mentality ukuthi nami kumele ngiwine wherever la ngikhona
and ngithatha ama Phillies games Ntwana ngithatha ama Phillies game nawe bowuno share so uthole ngishe uthola ama cup uthola ama medal
ngatholanga because bengingadlali I'm proud of Machida ne time alarm because I think nami without bona ezinye izinto bengeke ziyenzeke ne chairman yemdagasi nawe I'm proud of bona and uyanginceda kakhulu nami kwezinye izinto so ngiyabonga
last one Ntwana yami khuthaza intwana ezincane kuneyintwana emakhaya uyalekha imbali ehaleshiwe uyelimpopo esishikho emusina Eastern Cape eMthatha kuneyintwana ezincane ezifisa ukungena la ni khona khuthaza ukuthi intwana kuzolunga
kuzolunga na kanjani and ungagive up angithi amajeni awafani so umunye if izinto zakhe zenzeka manje angeke wazi izakho zingayenzeka le but into ekumele uyenze uhlala ufocusile wenza ama extra I think iwancedayo kakhulu entweni eziningi and ube positive kukho konke okuyenzayo
ma drugs good utshwala good
kakhulu
thank you Ntwana yami